All right, so listen. Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, I want to make this video as short as possible. I'm going to try to keep it under 5 minutes, so let's get into it. So it looks like Appsumo has did us a solid if you're Appsumo Plus user, which I kind of suspected it, didn't know for sure, right? You never know. They keep a lot of things close to the vest, but listen, they have extended access to the Sumo Day deals, but not all the deals. Remember that first day we had 170 some odd deals here, but today we're down to 24. There's one deal on here you need to get, right? If you can afford it, right? And I went to my wife, I said, hey, listen, I got to make this one purchase. You're probably going to get mad at me because I've already bought enough already. But there's one deal that if you don't get on here, you don't get anything else. You need to get this deal, right? And I'm only saying that because I really realized the value after it was almost too late, right? So let me tell you what that deal is. Let's get right into it. So that was 1 minute. Here's the deal. It's Gumlet, right? So Gumlet, if you're using Vimeo, God forbid you're not using YouTube for some of your courses or anything like that. But if you're using something like a Vimeo and you're trying to protect it and things of that nature, I think that's fine. I think it comes to a point where you can kind of hack into that a little bit as well. But this is what this has. And let me tell you the power of this, and I'm going to show you really, really quick. This has the value though. I have to tell you the value. And if you can't, that's fine. But the value in this to get the additional 10% off, the value is at the tier 5 where you get the unlimited digital rights management, right? And let me explain to you what that is. Digital rights management is a way that you protect your content. And let me just show you what it is. Actually, it's better to tell you. There's 2 different companies that are doing it right now. That is Google and 2 major players. It's Google and Apple, right? So those 2 features, let me show you really quick what it is. And again, this is $3.99. I know that's a lot, but I'm almost thinking, I don't even know if I can create a business out of this, maybe 1 or 2 videos or something. But here it is right here. You get Widevine setup from Google. That's their digital rights management platform or technology that they've created. Then you get Fair Play setup. That's Apple's digital rights management setup, right? And so what that essentially is, you're getting the same things. I think Google, I think companies like Netflix, Disney Plus and Hulu, they use Widevine, right? And then Fair Play uses their own through the Apple Store or through their iTunes TV, through the iTunes or their Apple TV. That's what they're using. So you're getting the best technology as far as content protection, right? For pennies on the dollar, right? So the 3 reasons why you should look at this is 1, the price, right? The price here, you're getting the growth plan, which is $75, with sprinkled in some business aspects. The business aspects is you get the DRM, right? You get the DRM. You're getting something $259 a month that you're paying one-time cost for. You're paying one-time cost to get the TRM, and you're getting the 15,000 storage minutes. That's what you're getting here. If we go back and look at it, try to keep this video short. You're getting the 15,000 minutes of storage, and you're getting 4K resolution, and you're getting the digital rights management. So what they did was they mixed in, you're getting everything in the growth plan moving forward. If they do any updates or anything to the growth plan, you're going to get that by purchasing this deal. But the tier 5 sprinkles in some elements from the business side. So you're getting, this is crazy, right? $375. I mean, this is crazy what you're getting for one-time cost, right? 60-day money-back guarantee. Let me give you the last thing you're getting. So you get 3 things. I gave you the price, right? I gave you DRM technology. You're getting unlimited access to that, which is the 2 highest technologies none of us LTDers can probably afford on our own, right? As solopreneurs or entrepreneurs, we can't afford that, but we're getting the same technology that all the big boys are getting, the Disney Pluses and the Hulus. They're getting that same technology. Let me give you the last reason, and this is killer right here. I can embed this puppy, right? I can embed this puppy. Of course I'm using Easy Course. Surely you got that, right? But I want you to hear what happens when I embed this in. I want you to listen to this. Let's take a listen.
The ocean floor rises 5 miles to the shores of what people call the 7 Mile Miracle.
Isn't that awesome? Right? That's what you're getting. This is embedded into my Easy Course, right? This is the same one. I put the air deck in, right? No one wants to believe on the air deck. If you're teaching on that, that's a whole nother story. They already said they're going to remove they're going to remove the branding at the tier 3. So if you missed out on that, shame on you. But this is what you're getting. You're getting, those are the 3 reasons why you want to take a look at this, at Gumlet. Gumlet is, I got to tell you, I slept on it because I have a lot of video stuff, but I didn't have anything that gave me that DRM protection. So I just told my wife, I said, listen, please, let me just do it this time. So she did, and I got it. I think it's maybe $345, I think. I've probably saved about $50 or so, I think, when I purchased it. But this is what you're getting. If you're going to buy Gumlet, you want to buy the tier 5 to get the unlimited digital rights management, right? And again, I want to show you once more. This is the dashboard, and you can manage it here. Fair Play setup, you have to get that set up. You got to get your credentials through Apple and so on and so forth. And then they're giving you a license proxy and a secret sign-in proxy from Widevine, which is Google's digital play. And then you can regenerate the signing secret and stuff. So this is kind of the setup. I mean, it's about, if you can get around in Vimeo, this you can get around with a little bit easier, right? I think actually, just looking at it, it's a little bit easier than Vimeo. I think some other people have probably already gone into it and tried to look at some different things already. So I'm not going to get into that. Wanted to keep this video very, very short. Again, this is my opportunity to extend to you access to the membership. I'm going to be doing a lot more in my membership because I think people are saying they like the videos that I do when I start mixing tools together. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of that. I'm going to be bringing access to my SaaS use case TV at a very, very inexpensive price. So if you're trying to get anything that I have, it's going to be under $5, right? You don't have to worry about that. But the knowledge you're going to get, and you're going to get access to myself to ask me different questions on different tools that you want to extend closer to. So sign up. Should be a membership link below in the community for the membership. And then you're going to get access to my private community, which I'm building. And a lot of people are already like, hey, I need to pick your brain. I need to pick your brain. So, hey, this has been Jenny Jones. I had a fun time this year for Appsumo Day and Sumo Day over at Appsumo. So you guys take care. Hey, be good out there. Until next time, don't forget to use my link if you get this, because this is going to be, I like to say, like the young people say, this is going to be fire, because you can get that DRM, that unlimited DRM access. I think that's perfect. And it's very quality built, and you heard the sound and all that. All right, so you guys take care. Till next time. Bye for now.